Hello guys, in this video we are going to cover Python file handling. So let's open Anaconda Navigator, launch Jupyter Notebook, then inside the desktop Python folder. To understand the file handling, we first have to create one file. So inside this new, you just have to click text file, then write down some text here. So I'm writing hello, welcome to file handling. My name is Wisdom Sprouts. If I write this and save this program, now we have to save this program using wisdom.txt. You can give it any name, then just save that program. Now create new Python file. If you want to perform file handling operation for the read purpose, you have to create one variable. F is equal to open function. Inside this open function, first of all you have to write down file name. So our file name is wisdom.txt, and then you have to write down the method. There are three methods available: read, write and append. So we want to read that file, that's why you have to use R stands for read. And if you want to print, so you have to write down print f.read. If you run this program, you will get that we write down same text here will appear here. So this is read function. If you pass some parameter like number inside this read, suppose I am passing 3, then what will happen? This will only print first 3 characters, that is HEL. Let's start. If I run this, then I will only get HEL. If I write 10, then I am getting first 10 character including space. So this is how you can use .read method inside this Python. Now if you want to read particular line, suppose first line, you have to write down print f.readline and run this program. So you will get first line. Suppose you have to get second line, then you have to write down f.readline again, then you will get second line. So this is how readline function will work. Now if you want to add for loop inside this file method, so you can write down something like this: for x in your file name. So our file name is f, then you have to write down print x. This will also print this because x variable will go into this wisdom.txt file and this will print all your text. So this is for loop inside this file handling. Now it is a good practice to always close the file when you are done with it. So when you completely read this file, you have to close that file. So you have to just use f-close method. So what will happen? Your file will get closed. So this is f.open method, read line method and f-close. Now suppose you want to create new file, or suppose you want to write new content inside this wisdom.txt file. So there are two methods. First one, A, that is stands for append, that will add some file, that adds some line at that end. And second one is write. The write method will overwrite all your files. So let's check one by one. Suppose first of all I'm writing f open wisdom.txt. I'm using first append method that will add some content at the end of line, and I have to write down f.write method. Right, this is new word, something like this. And if I print f.read, then you will get that there is one error. Let's find out. Oh, first of all we have to use append method. Then again, if you want to print that file, so print f.read. If you run this, then that append method just check unsupported operation, f.write, everything is fine. Then what is happening? Let's check our file. Yes, our file will get added. Then oh, you have to use R stands for read. We use a method, that's why we are getting it. You have to use R. Get that our new method will get, that new word will get added. So this is append method. Suppose I'm writing W, that is it will override all your content. So I'm just writing overwrite and run this program, and if I print this program, then I'm only get override. If you refresh this page, then you also get override. So this is append and write function will work. The last one, if you want to delete the file, you have to import OS, that is operating system, and there is one method that is os.remove, and you have to mention the file name, so wisdom.txt. If you run this, your file will get now deleted. 404 not found, that means your text file will get deleted. So this is related to the Python file handling. Stay tuned, subscribe our channel and click bell icon to get